This video illustrates this coin flip applet, and we're going to go through what you're asked to do in the activity. For the first part, we want to make sure that the animate button is checked. We want to make sure that N is set to 1. And then we're going to click the flip button 3 times. When we click the flip button the first time, we see in this case that we flipped a tail. We see a point popping up here as a 0. We're counting the number of heads. We flip again. We see that we got a head this time. So overall my proportion is 50%. This time I got a 1. The first time I got a 0, but we're measuring the cumulative proportion. We've gotten 1 head out of 2 tosses. We click it one more time. This time we get a head again. We can see the current cumulative proportion here at 0.667. So 67% heads so far, 2 out of 3 tosses. Then we're going to click reset and look at this in a little bit larger sample. So now we're going to set N to 10, and we're going to again flip 3 times. So flip the first time, but now it's going to do 10 tosses for that first set of flips. Then it's going to do 10 more and 10 more still. We have an overall bar chart on the left of our frequency, how many heads and tails. Then we have the cumulative proportion of heads listed at the top, 0.467. We have a record of the actual flips in order here, and what we're tracking on the graph is the overall proportion of heads. And we'll click reset again. Now we're going to set N to 100 and press the flip button once. It's going to animate 100 tosses of the coin. I'm going to uncheck the animate box and flip this till I have at least 1,000 tosses. So here we have 1,000 tosses of the coin, and we see that our overall cumulative proportion of heads is 0.484 in this example. But if we repeat this process again, reset and flip, you can see this time our estimate is 0.505.